3 to 7% of Americans are diagnosed with Gilbert's disease, according to the United States National Library of Medicine. So you can understand why so few people actually are aware of this disease. However, it was first acknowledged in 1901, according to the National Organization for Rare Disorders. Gilbert's disease is actually a mild genetic disorder, so both parents must carry the gene for the development of this disorder. But what is it? Gilbert's disease affects your liver. Your body's unable to process bilirubin, so you have a reduced liver enzyme. What is bilirubin? Bilirubin is produced when red blood cells break down and their toxic form is actually converted to a non-toxic form of bilirubin. This creates a yellowish colored waste that your body normally pushes out. When your body cannot eliminate this, though, in a timely fashion, we see the symptoms of Gilbert's disease. Again, most symptoms are mild, and what we see is jaundice, which is the yellowing of skin, mucous membranes, and the whites of your eyes. Treatment of the symptoms aren't necessary. However, there are other diseases that are caused by this same gene, and that can create life-threatening issues. With Gilbert's disease, there are a handful of things that can contribute to the symptoms. Stress is one, dehydration is one, illness is one, vigorous exercise, long periods of time without food, and alcohol consumption can cause the symptoms to appear more often. Again, that would be the yellowing of your skin and of the whites of your eyes. But 30% of patients, according to the National Library of Medicine, with Gilbert's disease never have any signs or symptoms. This is why so many people are actually unaware of this condition until there's actually a blood test taken and something appears. Awareness of your condition as a patient with Gilbert's disease is all that you need to maintain your health and prevent symptoms from forming.